Hunting for squirrels. Chapter 1. Oh, there she goes. The attention span of a flea. It's Lily and her sister. Epps' sister. Oh, here she goes. She's so adorable. Lily, look at you, monster. So David, here's one of your puppies in Sonoma County, California, hunting squirrels right now with Ray, the squirrel expert. Look at Ray. Ray, what are you doing? Yeah, I know what you're doing.
I'll guarantee there's one or two or three or four in there.
Oh yeah, well she knows it. She's a squirrel-aholic. Little bunny! Whoop, whoop, hoppity, hippity, hip. Woo! Ray, you're doing so good with these puppies. Ah, there's Ray. She's like, I got it, Mama. I'm getting it. She is